Little storyteller.
Eddie the little eaglet had grown big and strong. His brown and white feathers were sleek, and his wings could carry him high up in the blue sky. He loved to swoop and glide among the fluffy white clouds. But landing? Oh, landing was still a bit of a tumble. He'd often end up in a heap of soft moss, or with a gentle bump. One sunny morning, as Eddie was practicing his soaring above the whispering woods, he saw a wise old owl perched on a branch of a tall, leafy oak tree. Professor Sophocles, the owl, had round, knowing eyes and soft gray feathers. Eddie decided to ask for help. "Excuse me, Professor Sophocles," Eddie called out, circling gently. "I can fly really high, but my landings are still, well, a bit wobbly." Professor Sophocles blinked slowly. "Ah, young Eddie, landing gently is an art. Have you been paying attention to the breezes?" Eddie tilted his head. "The breezes?" "Yes," the owl hooted softly. "Feel how the wind pushes you. When you come down, angle your wings just so, to let the wind help you slow down." Professor Sophocles showed Eddie, his wide wings catching the gentle currents. And Professor Sophocles continued, "Watch your legs. As you get close to the ground, stretch them out a little, like soft landing gear." He demonstrated by gently lowering his feathery legs. Eddie watched carefully, his bright blue eyes wide with attention. He thanked Professor Sophocles and flew up again, eager to try. Below, in a field dotted with colorful wildflowers, a fluffy bunny with twitching pink nose was nibbling clover. Eddie aimed for a clear patch near a sparkling blue river. Taking a deep breath, Eddie felt the gentle breeze beneath his wings. He angled them just like Professor Sophocles had shown him. As he floated closer to the ground, he stretched out his little legs. Gently, softly he touched down on the grass. It was the smoothest landing he had ever made. The fluffy bunny looked up, surprised but not scared. Eddie smiled. He had done it. He could now soar high and land as light as a feather. From that day on, Eddie loved practicing his landings. Sometimes he would see Professor Sophocles watching him from the oak tree, giving a slow, approving blink. Eddie learned that even when something seems tricky, like landing just right, with a little guidance and practice, you can achieve anything. And just like the wind helped Eddie land softly, sometimes a little help from a friend can make all the difference.
Please subscribe. Thank you.